Motor configuration is an in-app process designed to program a PowerView Gen 3 motor with required settings to add it to a home. This function was previously referred to as motor replacement or on-site fabrication. But if you're using the PowerView app versions 3.14.0 and later, these two functions have now been combined in a unified process. Use motor configuration when you are physically replacing a failed or damaged motor, when you are adding a motor to a home that has not been programmed with factory settings, or when you are reprogramming a motor that is not operating or behaving correctly. With your app open, press and hold the control button on the headrail until the amber light turns on. Select Configure Shade when the action list populates. You will then select between motor configuration, shade replacement, or need help. In this case, select motor configuration. This version of the app follows most of the previous motor replacement and on-site fabrication workflows, so much will be similar. You will confirm your selection by clicking OK to move on. You will select the shade category. The list that is available is determined based upon the product options. Then you will select the shade type. After clicking Next, your shade will configure its motor. You will finish additional shade settings. When configuring the motor for some shades, you will need to confirm the movement direction. Tap the up and down controls in the app to test direction. If movement is reversed, tap the direction toggle to change movement direction. For some shades, your shade will calibrate next. The shade will move to its limits. You can then adjust the shade limits or skip and complete later. Note that some shade types, such as those without a hard bottom limit, will require you to manually set limits at the step, rather than automatically calibrate. The app will automatically guide you through these steps if necessary. You will then either get the option to add to home, which allows you to add the motor as a new shade, or do a shade replacement. With that, you have completed your motor configuration.